Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Tuesday, December 17th of 2019. And here are our morning announcements for today. If you are part of the math club, that is happening after school today. So math club, you'll be meeting after school. We do have some December birthdays to announce. So happy birthday to Shane Weber. Today is your birthday, Shane, so have a great day. Also, some other December birthdays. To make an announcement for birthdays on December 22nd, we have Jordan Oliver and Hunter Whitlock. Happy birthday to both of you on your upcoming birthday that would be happening next week. Our lunch choices for today would be mac and cheese, chicken sandwich, or ham and cheese sandwich. And I thought it would be a really good thing for this week to celebrate kindness since we do have the holidays coming up. So it's always a great time to focus on things and kind things that you could be giving out to people. So I have some fourth graders here from Mrs. Foltz's class that are going to share some things of kindness.
All right, boys and girls, we're going to do something a little bit different this week since it is Christmas coming up. We're going to do things of kindness. So how can we be kind to other people?
Say please and thank you. If somebody drops something, you can pick it up for them. Open doors for people.
Those are great suggestions. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys. And also throughout this week, we'll focus on other things of kindness that people can do. It's the easiest gift you can give is just an act of kindness. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. Please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, time for the pledge. So please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys, and everyone have a great day today. Have a wonderful Tuesday, and maybe, just maybe, do one of those acts of kindness to somebody today to make their day. Have a great day.